Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today is the 14th of June, 2022. Right now I'm on Nvidia's 5-minute chart. And let's see, let's start this off here with S3 Camarilla is at 167.45. That was yesterday's S3. Now today's R3 is at 156.39. So we have a lower value day, 2-day relationship on the Camarillas. So that's setting up to be a bearish day. Out of all the bearish setups, this is the most bearish. So what I was looking for is like a Mama Bear strategy with let's see. What's my mouse doing? Right. So I was looking for the R3 rejection right here. But usually it's in a downtrend. It's supposed to be kind of coming from the bottom going up, you know. But we had this kind of consolidation, kind of breakdown around R3. And then we kind of popped up, tested it right here. And then at the open we had this wick rejection right here off of upper VWAP. It blew past R3 a little bit, and we had this push down right here. We got to S3 and we found support. Nice volume came in as well, so we back up here at R3 again. So what this is looking like to me is like maybe a trading range day. So we're just gonna be probably back and forth through R3 and S3 all day, unless we get like a breakout in at one of these initial balances, right? So they call this the initial balance. That's the price range for like the first hour, but right now we already got the reversal right here, so it's less than an hour, you know. It's like about 30 minutes. We got the initial balance already. So let's see what it do. This might be a long video because maybe I could take a trade here, but the level 2 is looking a little balanced, and I don't think I want to take that risk for going against the level 2 like that. Right now I'm looking at the level 2 for a little imbalance. It's looking a little heavy on the bid side, so let's see what it does. Where would I take a short? Maybe R1, stop at R above upper VWAP right here, so like Yasso. So yeah, right here. This is a nice wick rejection right here at R2. You see 157.74. That's R2 right there. This blue line. Let's see. What is it looking like on the level 2? Bids is looking a little heavier, but it's still mixed. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna hold on and see what's going on here. And plus we right above R1, so gotta be careful with that. I mean VWAP, sorry. We're right above VWAP, this white line right here. See this white line, that's VWAP. This is lower VWAP, this green line, which usually is support. And this upper VWAP line here, this red line, that's usually resistance. So you see we get the wick rejections right there. Got the wick rejection right here. and we kind of blew past support right here on this one. So S3 was the support right here at 154.50. Alright, so we're looking like we're breaking down, but the level 2 is still looking kind of balanced. So with the level 2 being balanced, you see we kind of maintaining this area around here. We're not really moving yet. Alright, we're seeing some bids below the bids getting hit. The red on the time and sales. Let's see, do we have enough volume to break through VWAP? That volume isn't looking too good. Yeah, I'm not gonna take that. Just let it ride, let it ride. Because I really need to get like a entry up by R3, you know, like up here, but it wasn't really setting up too good with all this bullish action right here. To take this R3 rejection was it didn't look too sweet, you know what I'm saying. This was the best one right here. The trade probably is already gone. So with this push up here, and then we break below R3 in the first 5-minute candle, could have taken that, and maybe like the entrance of this the beginning of this candle right here, that wick rejection at VWAP, and then we just break down. So that would have been a good trade to like to R3. But this one here, I'm not really feeling it too much. Yeah, I think this setup here for me is kind of dead. Let me see something else here. Let's see AMD. What's AMD doing? Nah, AMD is still within range, man. It's all jumbled up here. Ain't nothing really going on too much. And we're not really testing like the extremes like R3 up here. We're kind of rejecting off of R2. I'm not really liking that too much. Let's see. Apple kind of looks like Nvidia. They all basically gonna look the same though. All those tech stocks, they're gonna look basically the same. This one is looking a little extra weak. Let's see if let's see. Go back to Nvidia. Nvidia is above S1. Microsoft is, yeah, it's stronger. It's S1 is all the way down here. Yeah, I'm not really liking anything today, man. I mightn't take no trades today. Cause this isn't even my setup. It's already gone. Two touches at R3, and I opened my platform late. I had an appointment this morning, so I wasn't here for the open. So we already got these already. These potential entries, and I didn't like how this was setting up right here, so I didn't take that. And now we're looking like we wanna just go back and forth, like the range kind of day I was talking about earlier. Just back and forth, back and forth. What I might consider is like a S3 breakdown to maybe S4. Let's see, where is S4? Alright, so S4 is at 152.56, so that's $2 right there between S3 and S4. So maybe I'll do that. Alright, looks like we're about to break lower VWAP right here at 155.42. Volume is dropping off a little bit though. Let's see what we do. I think this is really gonna be like a choppy day. It's not looking like it's setting up to make any real moves. I'm looking at the level 2 and it keeps on going out of balance and then coming back in balance. So there's no decision right here. The ask side just got a little heavy. People are looking to sell around 157. 157.30. So it's possible that we could get a reversal from right here to go back up, but let's see. All right, now the bid is looking a little heavier, so that's what I'm saying. It keeps going back and forth. Nobody's in control right now. I don't think so. It's only the dominant trend of like being risk off. I guess that's the dominant thing right now, but still the price action isn't being that weak. This support right here at S3, gotta be cautious for that, because we could easily get a double bottom here and just shoot up. Like if we get another one of these, a wick rejection right here, let me attempt to draw a candle, and then we push up like this again. We could easily go up and just break through. You see this price action, you see how this it's not breaking down. You see I told you this is lower VWAP, that's support. And we're catching some support right here, so some buying is happening in the market right now. Right now I'm looking over at the Qs, the QQQ. It's also catching support. It's the same, the chart is looking the same as Nvidia. There's no real difference. See, the SPY is looking a little stronger. The SPY caught some support here. It didn't even touch lower VWAP, so let's see what it do. Let's see, we got some ass coming through that light blue on the time and sales right here. Now we got some indecisive orders, those white orders. It's neither here nor there, it's in between the bid and the ask. The green is at the ask. I mean the neon green is above the ask. The light blue is at the ask. The purple is the bid, and the red is below the bid. And if you're just looking at the time and sales, nobody is really nobody's in control. The more of those white orders you see going through, that's in between orders. It's neither here nor there. See, we still catching support right here at lower VWAP, but we might be setting up to break down though. We just somebody gotta give up. Either the bears or the bulls, somebody gotta give up. This kind of doji candle right here, it just signifies what's happening, that indecision. 2 wicks, a wick on each side. See, price action is saying exactly what's happening on the level 2. Indecision. Let's see, what time is it? It's 10:19. Probably got 10 more minutes, and then we'll see probably something happen, because after the 1 hour, 1 hour after the market opens is usually the initial balance. So maybe at 10:30 we could break down here and continue lower, and then break the lows and head to S4. I think I want to set up a limit order right here at S3. Alright, so I set my limit order right there. Trying to catch this to probably S4 if it breaks down. It's a lower value day on the Camarillas, 2-day relationship, so we're definitely looking for shorts. So I'm not looking for any buy the dip reversals or nothing like that, man. Nothing like that. You see how this support here just came up, failed again, and we pushing back. Man, them arrows, man. It's like I gotta sit down and just practice doing arrows, man, because my arrows, man, I'm embarrassed. Alright, so what we doing? 155 is support. Volume still falling off. That's not good. That's not good for the short side. Volume still falling off. That's why I set this this limit order right here, right? So this is where I want to get in. I'll probably do like let's see, stop loss like right here at 155.59 or something like that. Might even be a little tighter. I don't know, like I might just, yeah, maybe just my stop loss might be right here, because this kind of indecision right here, I'm not accepting too much pullback. You see what I'm talking about, man? You see this movement right here? I'm about to just take off this stop loss. This stop order, this stop limit order, and just call it a day. Because the real setup is already gone. 2 wick rejections at R3, and we got to S3 already, so not looking like too much more gonna happen. Let me take a look at Oxy and see what Oxy is saying. Alright, so Oxy is bullish. Let me see what kind of Camarilla relationship Oxy got. Alright, same lower value relationship, but we stayed above R3. R3 was support, so we bounced off R3. Okay, cool. We back up at previous day S3, and we getting this kind of these wick rejections, little reversal patterns. Volume fall all the way off with this push up. So actually, I don't have a strategy for this though. All the way up here, this kind of strong movement off of R3, and then reject kind of creating some wick rejections around R6. I don't really have a playbook for that. Let's see. Was this? Yeah, this was heavy volume right here. Then we had this response. Volume wasn't too strong. Increase in volume, we broke up a VWAP. Pull down, bounced up off of R5. Pulling back again, breaking VPOC. Volume at price right here. This is this white broken line right here. That's VPOC, volume at price. Let's see what the level 2 is saying. The level 2 is still looking bullish. So, not thinking this is a good short neither. I'm just skimming through. This is Apple. Alright, Apple look like it's breaking down. I think it's gonna be a chop fest today. Let's see, we got 3 more minutes before the hour hits. Oxy pulling back up. Microsoft caught some support here at 241.65. Let's see. Nvidia got some weak rejections here at around 156.16, 156.20, average around 156.15. The thing is, I'm not seeing nothing on the level 2, man. I'm not seeing anything that signifies a direction. And plus I'm kind of outside. I'm outside of my strategy, so it has to show me something for me to take a trade. I still have this this stop limit order right here at 154.51. See, my stop order is right there. Right, we got 1 more minute now till 10:30. Let's see what it do. Level 2 is still full of these white orders, in between orders. Nothing happening over here. And nothing happening over here. Just indecision. Wick rejections on both sides and price action in between. So this is the indecision zone. And that's your wick rejections right there. So if you form all of that into one candle, it's still just one doji, one indecision candle. And this is a 5-minute chart, so that happened. This has been happening for 15 minutes now. I wonder how long this video is, man. This video might be real long. And then I mightn't even take a trade. Y'all might be pissed off. But it's still good to like listen to the thought process of why I'm not taking a trade. So okay, so we have a little flip on the level 2. The bid is looking heavier. We're getting some, you see, we're getting some bids coming in on the level 2 right here. Right, we got the purple coming in. What about the volume? No volume. That's not good. Look at that, no volume. And then we just wicking out right here. Yeah, I'm good on this. I'm good today. I'm gonna take this order off, and I'm gonna post this video as a no trades video today. You know what I mean? I missed my entry, the Mama Bear strategy. It wasn't perfect, but we kind of came from the top. Let's see. We came from above R3. We pushed down, which was good, and we got this run up into R3 at the open. And this is R3 right here, that red line. We push up a little bit over R3 and then could have caught this short right here, or enter on the second 5-minute candle, which is my strategy, to enter on the second 5-minute candle. But if I'm seeing something like this big wick rejection right here, it's best to just enter on the first 5-minute candle right here. You know, as soon as we break R3 and you put your stop above here. And I actually took a paper trade. I was moving around outside, and I took a paper trade on my phone on TradingView, but let me see how that's doing. I probably got stopped out or something like that. I can't even find my phone. Anyway, you see how this is playing out? It's just chop. And if it's gonna play like that, I'm not gonna play in it. You know, you gotta give me some direction. And it's like they say, no trade is a winning trade, because I didn't lose any money, didn't make anything, but I still get to keep the bank. You know what I'm saying? So alright, y'all, it's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.